Hello guys, Frosty Boy here again for another Wotd of
And okay.
is NatureG. So now, and Water Killer is back.
Yes.
Let's carry on. What the heck? The VIP. Not really. You guys should check it out yourself. It's NatureG. And sorry for the background noise. And you don't need to complete this because the owner has already said the password. And the password is
Maxi is a cow.
Maxi is a cow.
Maxi.
Oh wait, did the owner change the password?
Yep. XOXO.
He changed it to XOXO.
Yep.
Oh, he changed it regularly. No one can sell the password. And I'm gonna tell the owner that I'm recording.
Gencho.
Where did the owner go? I lost the owner, lost the... I'm asking them to say hi to you guys. To be kind. Okay, now let's carry on to the story, which is most of the day. Let's go.
Yeah.
Quickly over here. Sorry for the background noise. Again, you can hear it. It's really loud. I am near a construction area and a KTV area, which is like the worst place to stay. Let's go to story part 1 and let's begin with, oh my god.
I heard a strange pieces.
I'm not reading, you guys can
Pieces
check it
and
out. If you guys want, many of you guys suggested me to do more parkour instead of the reading, so I'm not reading any, and neither shall you. And I'm not wearing a vessel.
Same.
Because I don't want to take forever to die. One try.
I pass it.
I cannot pass it. The owner is pulling people.
Ouch.
And I'm gonna pause it, and when I'm back, I'll be at the other side. Peace. Okay, guys, I'm back, and it appears that we don't need to do all of the stories because the password leads us to almost the end. So instead of going to the stories, let's go to the lobby at the start of the story and have fun places. Oh my god, just came all the way back here. Password is still XOXO. Now let's go to explore the world instead. I'm waiting for you, Water.
Chulo 125. 1.
Enter this door for sign parkour. Left 1 ST parkour.
Let's
Right
see.
right second.
What kind of wood is this? Plus there's a wall over here.
I'm in the parkour. Let's go to the parkour. Seth was here yesterday. Dang it, why wasn't I here today? I want to show you guys how Seth looks like in his That's pretty much it for this world, and I don't even know why does this world have Wotd Day when it's literally nothing. There's literally nothing in this world. And instead of carrying on with this world, let's head on to our world, which nothing, you don't need to see that. 4141S and Water, I'll be waiting for you in 4141S.
Are you still recording?
Yep.
Are you not recording?
And I just got disconnected again.
Well, congratulations, you.
By this checkpoint. By 4
Run.
for 1 more log, and I'm going to do /radio.
My high say yo.
Water type slash radio.
Radio. Okay. Slash radio. Radio disabled.
You guys see this?
Now we'll see public.
The ATM was sold to some other guy, which I forgot who the heck it is. And instead, it's gonna be free build to get gems. And Water just put.
Nothing.
I was looking at a gateway, but wait! Do not destroy it. Put it down. Put the thing down. I was reading what they say when you destroy it. Okay, Water, I want you to destroy it.
Now?
Yes. And I was looking at the gateway, but it's gone. Magic is real. Wow.
Still is the door.
You believe the magic.
Oh, I got green block.
Okay, let's do this. Destroy it.
3, 2, 1, destroy.
I was looking at the door, but now it's gone. Magic is real. Magic is totally real. Man, you have to believe in magic just like Harry Potter.
Magic.
Just kidding, magic is fake, don't believe it. It's only
fake.
an illusion. And now, you guys will see me build a running map. Yep, you guys are witnessing me, Frosty Boy, building sprint map. The door's
What?
going to be here.
Where are you?
I don't know. Just get out of the lobby and you see me. And sorry for the background noise again. I live in a construction site. Oops. I live near a construction area. And why did I build it so high? Now, and sorry for the background hammering sound. I know it is. I'm gonna stop here. This, break this. Yeah, like this. I'm gonna put the door here. And this is where the best time. And Water, come here and we're gonna do the best time. We're gonna attempt to beat the best time. We're gonna try to beat it. Beat the best time. We're gonna try to beat the time. To beat all the time. I know wood. Can you put wood here?
Hey, stop.
Okay, put wood. And wood put. No. A wood block here.
Hey,
Put a wood block here. Put it up here. And one here. And 3 here. Oh crap. Okay, wait. You have to re-put this. Then I'm gonna put the door. Okay, I'm gonna pause it so you guys won't see the ID for this. And be right back. Alright guys, so I completed it. And now let's try to beat the best timing for our map. And let's begin, Water.
Okay, wait, give me a moment. I end it first.
Oh, my best! 1.91.
1.9.
1.91. My fastest. Haha. I'm still faster than you. 1.91. You cannot start like this. You have to respawn all the way in the lobby and you start, then that will be quicker. But I did not touch the checkpoint in the lobby. Okay, go! 1.91. 1.91 is still my best.
9.13.
There, I have the best for now.
We must put retry.
Well, I'm gonna pause it for a while. Be back soon. Okay, guys, I'm back and I fixed the thing and let me reset my time. Okay, I'm gonna start now. Go.
But first, the seems to be something wrong.
I don't think something wrong with the checkpoint because you have to just touch it twice.
My fastest is 1.8.
1.9.
It's you.
Oh my god, you just got 1.8. I'm gonna try again. Go, 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 go! How
Ha ha
did
ha.
I do it so fast at the beginning? How did I do it?
Yes.
I'm gonna try it again.
Look on top, it's 1.8.
How did I do it so fast from the first? Ah, 1.97, 1.80 front water best.
Ha. Must run like crazy, man. Man, it's
Go, go!
skills. Skill. It's a skill.
Doing as fast as I'm on a marathon. Whoa, 1.81. I just double jumped there. How am I doing so badly? How? Just tell me how. Oh. Go, go, go. Ha! 2.0.
You do a
1.99.
kyong kyong kyong.
1.3. Oh my god.
Yeah, fastest. Fastest.
I'm gonna try to beat him, and I'll be back when I actually beat him. Oh my god, guys! I just beat Water time. Just look at it. 1.49. Actually, it was 1.72, which I already beat, and I beat him again. 1.49. Holy snap! That was epic. I did not know how did that happen. Water, you saw it right. And with this note, I shall end the video. And as always, stay frosty.